Let's delve into TOC and explore the available options. First, open a file to view File in a page. Click on the hamburger menu and then click on TOC. This step may be skipped if TOC is already displayed by default. Now, to add all the relevant receipts in the TOC, click on the Add Receipt button. This will open a pop-up displaying the year-wise list of all receipts eligible for correspondence. Note, only standalone receipt, that is, without any attachment, of receipt in box and created folder will be eligible. User can search receipts using search bar and filter them as per their year of creation. Select single or multiple receipts as needed. Provide the mandatory remarks. Then click on Attach button to add selected receipts as correspondence in a file. Each entry in the TOC represents a specific communication and includes details such as receipt or issue number, the unique diarization number assigned to each receipt during diarization of DAC, and issue number assigned after approval of a DFA can be seen here respectively. Subject, the title that specify the correspondences or issues based on their subject matter. This helps in identifying the required correspondence or issue and facilitates quick retrieval of relevant information pertaining to inwards and outwards communication. Marked as. This field displays whether receipt is marked as PUC, paper under consideration, or FR, fresh receipt. PUC, paper under consideration, typically refers to a first document or proposal in a specific category that is being reviewed or evaluated by a department. It could be a draft policy document, a legislative proposal, a research report, or any other form of correspondence relevant to governmental decision-making. Additionally, if not previously marked, it can be labeled as PUC by selecting the receipt and opting to mark it as such by clicking on Action drop-down at the top. Fresh receipt, FR, is the further correspondence which has been received against the PUC. Additionally, if not previously marked, it can be labeled as FR by selecting the receipt and opting to mark it as such by clicking on drop-down action and then selecting the corresponding PUC. Attached by and attached on, this section contains details about the individual who took action on the receipt, including when they added it to the table of contents, TOC. Issued on, here the user can know the date of issue of the particular outgoing correspondence or issue. Remarks, this section displays the remarks or comments relevant to specific correspondence recorded while adding the receipt. This may include comments on the status, follow-up actions required, or any other pertinent details. Closed status tracking, the TOC includes columns to track the closed status of any correspondence. This allows users to monitor the status of various correspondences and ensure timely follow-up. Moreover, correspondences can be closed or reopened directly within the table of contents, TOC, based on decisions or subsequent actions required. To close, simply select the correspondence, choose the respective option from the action drop-down at the top, provide an appropriate remark, and click the OK button. To reopen, simply move cursor to the reopen icon, click it to open confirmation pop-up, provide an appropriate remark and then click the OK button. Using the hamburger menu, user can also view recent correspondence. It refers to the latest receipt that has been added to the TOC. This helps users quickly access the most recent communications and stay updated on the latest information without having to sift through older correspondences. All correspondences, choosing all, will display all the added receipts in a single glance, scrolling one after another. This may help users to easily review content of all the correspondences.